अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इकोनॉमिक्स एमसीक्यूज की नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप सबको वेलकम करती हूँ। हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक है वो है नेचर एंड स्कोप, और हम बेसिकली कवर कर रहे हैं फंडामेंटल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स को। ठीक है जी, इसको हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। फादर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी, ऑप्शन है हमारे पास एडम स्मिथ, माल्थस, मार्शल और सैमुअलसन। एंड द राइट आंसर इज एडम स्मिथ। फादर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी is Adam Smith. He described economics as science of material welfare. Option are Marshall, Robbins, Keynes, Ricardo. And the right answer is Marshall. Marshall describes economics as science of material welfare. Economic laws are, options है exact, brief, approximate, definite. And the right answer is approximate. Economic laws are approximate. Economic laws are, options है moral, natural, scientific or unreal. And the right answer is scientific. Economic laws are scientific. Economics is a science. Options है dismal, moral, spiritual or social. And the right answer is social. Economics is a social science. Economic problems are arise because of, options है greed, dishonesty, laziness or scarcity. And the right answer is scarcity. Economic problems are arise because of scarcity. This statement relates to the macroeconomics. Options are oil prices are rising in Pakistan. The government has failed to control inflation. Profit rate is high in textile industry. The firm try to make huge profits. And the right answer is the government has failed to control inflation. Which statement is true? Only one answer is true. Economics is a physical and normative science. Economics is a social and natural science. Economics is a physical and positive science. Economics is a social and normative science. And the right answer is economics is a social and normative science. Ceteris paribus means, options are all relations are inverse, all variables are independent, that no other assumptions are made, other things equal. And the right answer is other things equal. Ceteris paribus means other things equal. In economics, assumptions are, options make economic theory useless, mean other things equal, enable economists to simplify reality, or used in micro and not in macroeconomics. And the right answer is enable economists to simplify reality. A positive statement, options are concerns what it is always accurate, deals with values and opinions, and cannot be tested in the real world. And the right answer is a positive statement deals with values and opinions. Normative economic problem is, options are deal solely with facts, is never studied in colleges, involves opinions and interpretations, is clearly preferable to positive economics. And the right answer is involves opinions and interpretations. Basic economic problem is, options are inflation, unemployment, scarcity, or lack of money. And the right answer is scarcity. Basic economic problem is scarcity. Scarcity exists in only poor countries, in a country that uses resources inefficiency, in all countries of the world, or when society produce unimportant. And the right answer is in all countries of the world. Scarcity exists in all countries of the world. Microeconomic concentrate on inflation, international economic relation, individual economic units, or economic development of Pakistan. And the right answer is individual economic units. Microeconomic concentrates on individual economic units. Macroeconomic deals with. Options are how to buy groceries, aggregate economic activity, establishment of new farm, or industrial activity. And the right answer is aggregate economic activity. Macroeconomics deals with aggregate economic activity. Three basic economic problems are options are what, how, and for whom, why, where, and when, what, which, and how much, and what, which, and why. And the right answer is what, how, and for whom. Economic options is more than important than mathematics, is a social science, should be more compulsory for every student, is difficult to study. And the right answer is economics is a social science. Economic laws. Options are must be followed, are hated by people, show economic behavior of people, or are unscientific. And the right answer is economic laws show economic behavior of people. Adam Smith was a saint, a modern economist, good sportsman, or classical economist. And the right answer is classical economist. Adam Smith was a classical economist. Marshall, in his definition of economics, uses the concept of material welfare, dislikes wealth, accuses Adam Smith, or praises Robbins. And the right answer is uses the concept of material welfare. Marshall, in his definition of economics, uses the concept of material welfare. Wealth of nation. What is it? Is another name of United Nations, is name of a book, indicates total wealth of rich countries, or contains formulas to earn wealth. And the right answer is Wealth of Nation is name of a book. Marshall wrote the book. Options are Introduction to Economics, Principle of Economics, Classical Economics, Microeconomic Theory. And the right answer is Principle of Economics. Marshall wrote the book Principle of Economics. Economic theory means economic policy, economic principle, descriptive economics, or economic facts. Economic theory means descriptive economics. Robbins, in his definition, options are talk of scarcity of resources, preaches moral values, advises neurality, or none of the above. And the right answer is talk of scarcity of resources. Market system means options are socialism, capitalism, a place where goods traded, all of the above. And the right answer is capitalism. Market system means capitalism. One or more persons living together and having a common budget is called. Options are union, organization, household, house members. And the right answer is household. Wealth of Nation was written in which year? Options are 1976, 1876, 1776, or 1676. And the right answer is 1776. Wealth of Nation was written in 1776. Economic principles are also called economic law, economic theory, economic model, or all of the above. And our right answer is all of the above, as economic principles are also called economic law, economic theory, and economic model. Wealth of Nation was written by Adam Smith, Malthus, Marshall, or Newton. And the right answer is Adam Smith. Wealth of Nation was written by Adam Smith. Select the correct statement. Options are economics affects politics, economics affects history, geography affects economics. All of the above are true. And the right answer is all of the above are true, as economic affects politics is true, economics affects history is true, and geography affect economics is also true. Professor Marshall thinks options are economic studies national welfare, economics studies personal welfare, economics studies total welfare, or economics studies material welfare. And the right answer is economic studies material welfare. प्रोफेसर जो मार्शल थे वो उनका ये ख्याल था कि जो इकोनॉमिक स्टडीज हैं वो मटेरियल वैल्यूज को या मटेरियल वेलफेयर को स्टडी करने का नाम है. नेक्स्ट इज एवरीवन शुड स्टडी इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट, नॉर्मेटिव स्टेटमेंट, ट्रू स्टेटमेंट और नॉनसेंस. एंड द राइट आंसर इज economics is a normative statement. Utility and usefulness are options are equal, different, opposite, or unrelated. And the right answer is different. Utility and usefulness are different. Rotten eggs are economic, free goods, service, wealth. Rotten eggs are free goods. Scarcity means that non-availability of goods, high price of goods, nobody wants to consume it. The good is available but is not free. And the right answer is good is available but is not free. Basic economic problems common to all countries is what, how, and for whom to produce. Basic economic problem common to all countries is what, how, and for whom to produce. Human wants are innumerable. Scarcity means less supply than demand. Scarcity means less supply than demand. Validity of economic theories can never be proved with 100% certainty because ceteris paribus clause. Validity of economic theories can never be proved with 100% certainty because of ceteris paribus clause. Adam Smith is famous for Laws of Taxation and the book Wealth of Nation. Adam Smith is famous for Laws of Taxation and the book Wealth of Nation. An economy means a country's economic system. An economy means a country's economic system. Basic economic problem is scarcity of resources. Basic economic problem is scarcity of resources. Economic laws are made through deductive and inductive methods. Economic laws are made through deductive and inductive methods. I hope you like my video. Kindly share with your friends and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you so much.